Today I'm giving you a glimpse of my life as a homemaker, a little bit of decorating, planning, cleaning, and shopping. Hello, welcome back to my little pink casa. I'm Rosenda, and today I'm sharing my day in the life of a homemaker. November is here and it's a new month. I like to redecorate for Thanksgiving. And so today I'm going to change out my tablescape and make it a little different. I'm adding a cream lace tablecloth, and it's actually from my mom. It's the same tablecloth that she used when I was little during Thanksgiving, and it reminds me of those special days when I used to set the Thanksgiving table for her. I remember smelling the delicious food baking in the oven, and my mom always made the table special for us as a family for the holidays, and this is one way I carry the tradition of Thanksgiving in my home. As I decorate my table for a new month, a month of gratitude, joy fills my heart knowing how special this place is to my family. A mother's love is reflected at the table, with each meal prepared, every place setting, and drink served. When my family sits down, I know they are ready to receive. Not just the food for their tummies, but also the love and dedication that I give. The table is a place of blessing. I'm thankful that I have food to place on this table, a meal to present, big or small. God provides all. As I go on in my day, I also have time to prepare snacks for my daughter. After school and on our way to ballet, we both need some energy, and so I'm always packing us a sandwich of some sort. Today it's peanut butter and jelly and banana. Every time it's a little different. Just depends on what I have in the fridge at the moment. Can you relate? I also pack some fruit bars and veggie chips and also waters. I find this helps me avoid buying the fast food that is on the go, especially when our budget doesn't allow it. So saving money and being frugal has become a big specialty of mine for that reason. Today I also have a direct sales meeting tonight, so I have to prepare something for me to eat too before and after. So I'm not going to be home, and we're going to be gone most of the evening. This is just the best way to help us be able to eat healthier and not have to be tempted by the many fast food restaurants on the road, and it helps keep us energized and our tummies full. Welcome to a new day. Today I am meal planning. Recently I've been taking my old cookbooks off of the shelf and looking for new recipe inspiration for this time. I love baking and actually showed you on my Instagram stories when we made this apple crisp recipe, which I'm so inspired. I'm going to add that into my Thanksgiving meal plan, and in fact that's what I'm doing right here. I'm actually making a Thanksgiving meal plan and a grocery list, just thinking ahead and putting in recipes that I never thought I would make or haven't made in a while. And I'm also making the week's grocery list and meal plan. Tomorrow I plan to go grocery shopping, and I'm also planning my Christmas meal plan, so that is what I'm using vintage recipes for. Hopefully I can find some good Victorian recipes to add with my traditional ones. Good morning, it's a new day, a great day ahead. That's my affirmation for the day, because I'm tackling some cleaning and some grocery shopping today. So I picked up some Chick-fil-A coffee on my way home this morning, and I had some rewards on my Chick-fil-A app, and so I redeemed them and got a cup of coffee, but I'm going to put it in a pretty cup to make it feel a little extra special this morning. And I get some coffee in me, get going so I can tackle this kitchen, which is quite a mess for me. And then I'm also going to be tackling this box hopefully soon. My mom gave me a box of antiques recently of some finds and things she didn't want, and I've been wanting to show you all, but I haven't, so maybe I'll do that in another video, because I think there's some really good home decor and things I can use in there. And this morning I'm just sweeping, tidying up, doing all the regular activities I do in the morning. I try to see the joy in cleaning up. And yes, I wish someone could magically appear and do it for me, but then I remember how important my job really is to take care of my family. I feel so blessed to know how God has entrusted me to maintain my home and make sure we are all taken care of, for this is my joy and what motivates me to complete the mundane task day in and day out. Because I can lack motivation, and yet I'm accountable to God first, my family, and myself. I love my family, and as I give to them, it's my contribution. That means the world. And yes, my job of taking care of my family is important. And now I'm off to the grocery store. Today I'm actually shopping at Target because it was on my route of where I was going and picking up my daughter from school. So they had some really good sales today, and I decided to just get everything I needed at the store. Now I know some of you can get sidetracked at Target, but I know for me I only had about 40 minutes of shopping time, and so I had to really be focused. And so I did find some good prices of baked goods and things for what I'm going to need for Thanksgiving and Christmas. So I decided to get a few of those items there along with my grocery list, and it worked out great. And when I use the Target app, I actually can get digital coupons and a few things cheaper. So I suggest that if you ever go to Target, make sure you use that for saving extra money. And now I'm home and I'm showing you a quick overview of my grocery haul. Just a few things to fill in the week for my meal plans. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of my homemaking from day to day. And make sure you subscribe to my channel for more. And I will see you on Instagram to comment on this video.